Dudes, I signed up for the Nike After Dark tour in Mumbai and this is me going to collect my bib. It's so exciting. I'm going to show you my entire experience for this After Dark tour and it's going to be fun. It's flooding in Mumbai and it's raining like crazy. Look at the wind and look at the rain, guys. I'm completely wet from one side that's towards the outside and my rickshaw does not have those, what do you call it, man, those curtains. My rickshaw doesn't have it, so all the water and all the wind is coming onto me. Look at the size of those water droplets. It's crazy. My brother and I both got wet in the rain in the rickshaw. That's crazy, guys. And then later, once we cross this like signal, we go through a water like pocket. Anyway, so we go through a water pocket and then the rickshaw ke engine mein water goes inside and it's crazy, guys, because then the rickshaw just stops working. So then we are just waiting.
A few moments later.
And then the rickshaw starts working because he comes going boom, 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 karke it starts working and then we reach a section where it's dry towards Bandra. By the way, guys, sorry for not telling you, the bib collection is in Bandra Reclamation. So I just decide I'm going to dry myself now. So I'm using the wind, external winds to come inside the rickshaw and dry me. We've reached Bandra, guys. You can see outside. I'm so excited. That's the ceiling. After reaching the expo at Nike After Dark run, I've reached the expo, guys, and let me tell you, for a first time marathon runner, this experience was amazing. Like, I mean, the whole setup was done so well, everything was organized so well. Like, the bib collection was happening like alphabetically, so that was pretty cool. That did not create a bigger queue. Then we got verified, and then I'm going to go to the section where I can collect like my free goodie bag. So cool. I'm going to collect my free goodie bag. They give me a t-shirt, a Nike bra, and then they put some other surprised elements in the bag. And this bag is pretty nice, right? I can take my tiffin in it later. It's a really cool like silver bag. So I take it out, guys. After collecting all of this, I walk through the Sugar Cosmetics section where you can get like makeup done for free.
A few minutes later.
Let's open everything, guys. This is the Mensi scrunchie. So cool. That's like a buzz massage machine. You know, with Virat Kohli's photo in it. That's a bra. I get a bra. You get a t-shirt, Nike After Dark merchandise t-shirt. How cool. Then that's the bib, guys, and there's a whole map of the run over there. That's lipstick. Then they give us another lipstick, which is weird. I don't know how this is going to help in the run. That's the band for Junita Gandhi's concert, and that's an Uber coupon. So cool for the night run. Let's go. Run day. Yay. It's time for going to the run. Look at me, guys. I'm crying because AC ka hawa is too much. Crazy. That's the ceiling. I'm going to the way to Gateway of India. I see flag hoisting on the ceiling. So cool. I love looking at the Indian flag in the air hoisting like that. So lovely. So lovely. What a peaceful scenario. Look at me. Yay. On the ceiling, giving you ceiling selfie. Yo, guys. Now I have reached the venue. This is how the venue looks. And I am so glad I came 2 hours early because, guys, you need to see what's going to happen next. That's Gateway of India, still being renovated since a very long time. That's what I'm talking about, dudes. A 2-hour line just for hair braiding, and guess what they gave me after waiting for 2 hours? 4 clips on my head. And the lady behind kept screaming, only put 4 clips on, girls, only put 4 clips, we don't have time to waste. And look at this. Then they made us work out with no space. I went to get water while everyone was working out, and the race has started. When the race started, the confetti gun only burst for wave A. Wave B, C and D did not get the burst. I don't know if B got it or not, if they were ahead, but D definitely did not get the burst of the confetti gun, and I got 4th hand confetti falling on me. Also, guys, do you remember the scrunchie that I showed you in the start? That scrunchie actually has lights, reflective lights that turn on, and you can like, you're supposed to wear it during the race, and I didn't wear it because I thought it's just a random scrunchie they gave us. But those lights, reflective lights, will help you run, like help cars avoid you while you're running on the streets. Oops, made a mistake there. Ha 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 ha. And look at this, guys, the gun time has already started and I'm still waiting to get out of Gateway of India. It took me at least 30 minutes to get out because I was the last wave. So weird. And you know what's weird is our wave. I saw that our wave got paces of 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 21 minutes and 1 hour 25 minutes, whereas wave A got pacers of 38 minutes, I think, or 40 minutes, and then they got a pacer of 1 hour, and then they got a pacer of 1 hour 5 minutes. Why didn't we get those kind of pacers? I was pretty shocked. So that's a big disadvantage for, you know, the last wave that left. This is me. I started running, and now that's me running through the bustling streets of Mumbai. I have reached 6 kilometers at Haji Ali. This is so much fun. I decided to take out my phone with sweaty hands and stop running because I have to record. And then, guys, when I hit 8 kilometers, a man is down. Girl, while running, falls down right in front of my eyes. The ambulance picks her up. Her friend goes with her. Majority of us are scared because we saw her fall. So we are just walking, but it's just 2 kilometers to go, guys. So I think I can finish this. Now, while running, I've reached 1 kilometer, and see, that's my 120 mark pacer ahead. I cross her, and I managed to finish the race before 1 hour 20 minutes, guys. That's me after the race. I was so tired, I was so engrossed, and I was running too fast to record the entire thing for you. So this is me 20 minutes after sitting on the floor. I start recording the entire ambience for you guys. Now I'm going to collect my Nike After Dark race necklace. So excited. These are all the necklaces for all the runners who have run in the race. Pretty cool. I'm just going to open the box and show you guys because I have to quickly now go walk and get food. They gave the food. It was pretty khatta. I didn't like it. I feel like it was kept out for too long. That's Vinita Ma'am Sugar Cosmetics section. This is where Jonita Gandhi's concert is going to play. And guys, the race results. So I get ready and I put in my bib number to see it. And what's weird is you get different options over here. You get an option to select male or female, whereas it was only a female race, which was very weird. And then I see, oh, I haven't come in the first top 3 positions, so I'm upset. I just click on submit to see which rank I rank at, and I rank at 511, and Nike showed my time as 1 hour 21 minutes, which is not true. I actually recorded all of that, as you can see, guys. So sucks to be true, man. I hope you guys make my video reach like maybe 1 lakh likes, so at least it reaches Nike and they can actually take an action for next time and maybe give us better results and give us better pacers to actually win the race, because I had a very big disadvantage to win the race. Anyway, guys, see you next time on my next vlog. Tara, subscribe soon.